Which mini sewing machine is actually worth your time? Simple question, but there are so many options that it can get confusing. Today, we're sorting through the noise to find the best choices for your sewing needs. Product number 1, KPCB Tech Mini Sewing Machine. First up, we have the KPCB Tech Mini Sewing Machine, priced at $39.99. It caught my eye not just for its affordability, but for the complete beginner-focused kit that comes with it. If you want a solid start to your sewing journey, this is worth a serious look. So why does this machine stand out? For starters, it includes 20 fabric squares, which means you can jump right into your projects without needing to buy extra materials. Plus, it comes with an extension table, making it easier to manage larger pieces of fabric. The double thread design helps create stronger stitches, allowing you to sew through up to 5 layers of fabric seamlessly. With over 6,800 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, it's clear that many have found it reliable. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a beginner, the inclusion of tutorial videos means you won't feel lost. Now, some people have mentioned that the stitching speed can be a bit slow for their liking. Here's the thing though, this is actually beneficial for beginners who need a little more control. If you're new to sewing, that slower speed can help build your confidence without overwhelming you. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want to do simple repair jobs. But skip this one if you're looking for something more advanced or have a lot of heavy-duty projects in mind. At $39.99, it's a fantastic value for beginners. Now, if the KPCB Tech Speed bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, RX Melee Mini Electric Sewing Machine. Next is the RX Melee Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine, retailing for $49.99. Its sleek purple and white design really caught my eye, and I was curious about its built-in stitches. If you want something a bit more versatile, this might be the one for you. Why is this machine worth your attention? It offers 12 built-in stitches, which gives you a lot of flexibility for different sewing projects. Whether you're just mending clothes or aiming for more intricate designs, this machine can handle it. The dual power options, AC adapter or battery, make it super convenient for travel, allowing you to sew anywhere. Plus, it has threading indication marks, which makes setup easy for a beginner. With 2,200 reviews and a 3.9-star rating, it's clear that people appreciate its ease of use. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who likes to sew on the go, the battery option will really come in handy. However, some users mention that it can jam if not operated correctly. Here's the thing though, most sewing machines have a bit of a learning curve, and with a little patience, you'll probably find it quite manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a portable option with a variety of stitches. But you might want to skip this if you're looking for something that can handle heavy fabrics without jamming. For $49.99, it offers solid versatility for casual sewing. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners who want something more straightforward. Product number 3, Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. The third option is the Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine, priced at just $31.99. I was pleasantly surprised by how affordable it is for the features it offers. If you want a straightforward machine that covers the basics, this is a great pick. Here's why this machine stands out. It supports both AC and battery power, which means your sewing doesn't have to stop just because you're away from a power outlet. It also has a dual speed function, allowing you to adjust according to the complexity of your project. The included sewing kit, featuring 32 bobbins and a sewing thimble, means you can get started right away. With a 3.8-star rating from around 17,700 reviews, it's proven to be a popular choice. Here's why this matters. As a beginner, having everything you need in one package makes the process a lot less overwhelming. However, some users felt it was too basic and lacked advanced features. But honestly, if you're just starting out, those advanced features can complicate things rather than help. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that meets basic sewing needs. But skip this if you want a machine that offers a range of complex stitching options. At $31.99, it's an excellent starting point. Now, if simplicity was your main concern, The next machine offers a different approach tailored for portability. Product number 4, Verdenica Beginner Sewing Machine. Coming in at $59.99 is the Verdenica Beginner Sewing Machine. I really liked its compact design and the variety of built-in stitches it offers. If you want something that grows with you as you advance in your sewing skills, this is worth checking out. What makes this machine stand out is its 12 built-in stitches, offering you real versatility while being user-friendly. It's designed with clear guides, making it simple to select stitches and adjust tension. The fact that it has a foot pedal or button control means you can pick what feels comfortable for you. With a 4.1-star rating and just 122 reviews, it's clear this machine is appreciated for its reliability. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who plans to experiment with different fabrics, this can handle everything from delicate silks to sturdy denim. However, some found it a bit heavier than expected. But honestly, that added weight can actually contribute to a more stable sewing experience, especially when working on larger projects. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that's beginner-friendly but offers growth potential. But you might want to skip it if you need something ultra-portable. For $59.99, it's a solid long-term investment. Product number 5, TYGVM Portable Handheld Sewing Machine. Finally, we've got the TYGVM Portable Handheld Sewing Machine, priced at $49.98. This one really intrigued me with its cordless design. If you want total convenience, especially for on-the-go fixes, this might be the one for you. Why is this one a standout? It operates on AA batteries or can plug in so you can take it anywhere. The double lock stitch feature means you can tackle thicker fabrics, which is something many mini machines struggle with. It's incredibly user-friendly, making it great for quick fixes. With a 4.4-star rating from just 50 reviews, it's a newer player but shows promise. Here's why this matters. If you're a busy parent or someone who travels often, having a sewing machine that's easy to grab can save you a lot of hassle. That said, some users found it lacks the versatility of a full-sized machine. But honestly, if you're looking for quick repairs and not complex projects, this is absolutely sufficient. This is perfect for you if you need a portable sewing solution for emergencies or quick fixes. But skip this if you want a machine for heavier-duty tasks. At $49.98, it's a great value for convenience. So to quickly compare, the KPCB Tech is great for absolute beginners, the RX Melee offers versatility, the Magic Fly is budget-friendly, the Verdenica is a great long-term option, and the TYGVM brings portability to the table. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that aligns with your sewing needs.